Okay, guys, we're back. These two panels, we got V34, that's with a yellow pad, that's with an orange pad. You can see just from there, you have, micro marring from the pad. Here, less. There is some, as you can see, you can almost see it right there next to the bulb. Very, very, very minor. You can probably see it in the sun. I would say totally a safe bet to one polish with 34 on a really light color. Here is the V36, which is their medium grade. I say medium. They came out with V32 after I bought this, so I guess it's their second less final polish now that there's 4. But as you can see, it finishes really well and has pretty good correction abilities for like their medium grade. It's hard to tell in the camera, but this definitely looks more corrected. You pretty much don't have any more swirls here, but the clear coat isn't as level, and you can tell. As far as reflections go, they're actually better over here. I think that's because this one didn't correct the or level the clear coat as much. But here's a comparison. Severely swirled oxidized crap, medium polish. Pretty fantastic, especially, if you were doing a paying client, you could just go around the whole car in a couple hours and make a huge difference. Yeah, that swirling right there is very apparent now. I would say that on this part, instead of using just the V38 final polish, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try the V34 with an orange pad right here, and then skip straight to the V38 to see if a two-step polish will really do it. I really think so, because V34 finishes so well. I don't really think that V36 is necessary unless you're trying not to cut so far into a vehicle if it has a thin clear coat. I will say I'm more impressed now than when I originally first bought it. Chemical Guys loves their marketing. Everything they make is the best ever. So you kind of have to take what they say with a grain of salt. But you can see the steps right there. It's like yellow pad, very severe. Orange pad, better, it needs finish. This is like a good one step. Here I'm going to go all out and I'm going to see what we can do as far as, I'm probably going to start, I'm going to do orange pad, V34, and then just go straight to the V38 and see what we can do. I also want to say that on these two and this one, what I do is I prime the pad with the product, and then I use like 3 dots the size of probably a little smaller than a dime, and I pat the pad over the surface, and then I spread it around on speed 3, crank it up to speed 6, do about 3 or 4 section passes. This stuff works for a long, long time. V34 is pretty amazing. It will, you can work it like a medium polish and it cuts pretty dang hard. Can't remember what I was going to say. The speed that I chose was 6 to cut the deepest, and then I applied like moderate pressure, and then after like 3 or 4 section passes, I did another like 3 section passes on speed 3 with pretty light pressure, just to really kind of give it the best chance to finish out. But as you can see, it's like night and day. There's the 36. That's the 34. You can see it's just a little more corrected. And that's with the yellow pad. You can see some swirlage. Anyway, I'm going to come back. I'm going to do what I can do here. And after that, I think I may do a comparison to 105 and 205 on this side. Thanks, guys.